Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have a card tutorial to share with you all. Now I am no expert card maker, but I do have some ideas that I thought you guys might like to see. So today I am working with the My Favorite Things Polynesian stamp set. I'll have links to all of this over on my blog in case you're interested. And I'm going to be doing some stenciling with some distress inks today. So I'm going to be creating a sunset-esque background. I'm starting with this color here, which is the lemon color. So I'm just going to take this squeezed lemonade color and blot it around. I want it to be somewhat spotty, but I'm working with some Canson XL watercolor paper. And by making it sort of spotty, you get like a cloudy effect, which is kind of what we want since we're working with a sky background. I also have this navy circle that is 2 inches punched out of some random scrap cardstock to use as a mask. And I have this Heidi Swapp stencil that I'm using to make some sun rays. I am going in with mustard seed, which is a darker yellow. I'm blotting off a lot of it so I can get some sun rays in here. Since I don't have a radial stencil, I decided to combine using 2 stencils. So I used this one by Heidi Swapp, and then I'm also going to use another one by Echo Park. Or no, it's another one by Heidi Swapp. And I'm just intensifying some of the yellow colors, and I also decided I want to bring in some orange color. So later on I'll be using another color, but for now I'm going to add a couple more stripes using this stencil. It doesn't exactly look like a sun, but by blending it out with my squeezed lemonade again, you get a more cohesive blended look. So to fill in my sun with a more intense color, I'm using spiced marmalade or carved pumpkin. I always mix them up to add some orange to my sun. And then I'm going to go let this dry to the side. Now, if you followed along with my Stamp and Craft live stream in February, you'll see I've colored these images on there. So if you're looking with how I colored these images with my Zig Clean color markers, I have all that information in that video, which I will have linked down below, as well as an iCard in the top right corner there. And you can find all the information and see how I colored them live. I'm taking some beautiful paper from the DCWV Coastal Stack to make a little beach. There's going to be no water involved in this little card here, but I'm just going to take this and trim it down to make a perfect beach look. And I also have my little hula girl here, which she is stamped with VersaFine black ink and heat embossed with Wow clear embossing powder, and then colored with my Zig markers on the same Canson XL watercolor paper. I also decided I wanted to use a craft colored card base to keep with these earth tones. So I'm taking this 110-pound craft cardstock and cutting it down to 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 and scoring it at 5 1/2 to make a top folding note card, and using my bone folder here to press it down. So now we got the background done, and we're now going to have to adhere all of our pieces as well as get our sentiment on the card. So again, this set is from My Favorite Things, and I decided to go with the sentiment that says Hello Sunshine, and I'm actually going to switch up where it's placed in a little bit after I glue some things down, but I'm going to stamp that as well in VersaFine black ink to match. So I'm going to use my stamping tool for this. I used the Hampton Arts stamping tool, which is no longer available, but any stamping tool will work. I know there's several on the market now, so that's very good. And I'm just making sure that's straight, as can be at least, and then using my stamping tool and my VersaFine black ink to stamp it down. There's a lot of fussing in this video, so I hope you guys don't mind. I haven't made a card video in a while, and I know I've had a lot of requests for them, so I decided I would bring them back as soon as possible. And if you're interested in seeing me live color some images or make some cards, I will be having card making live streams once a month, as well as my scrapbooking live streams once a month. And if you follow me on Facebook, you'll be able to know when I will be going live. I have Facebook events set up when I have the dates finalized, and you guys can follow me along on there to tell me what you guys want to see or what you guys want me to do during the live stream. So definitely check out my Facebook page, which is always linked in the description of all of my videos. So now I'm going to glue down my fun hula girl here, and I also have this little pineapple from the same set, and that will be going on the inside. Since the watercolor paper is so thick, I often find it's hard for the ATG to hold it onto it, so I decide to use some liquid adhesive as well. On the inside of the card, I want to stamp another sentiment that says, I think it says warm wishes and sunny smiles, which is really cute. And then the pineapple will go right on top, just to add another punch of color on the inside. And then once that's stamped with my VersaFine black ink, this card is done. I hope you guys enjoy this short tutorial for a quick sunset background. Just a fun way to use stencils, even though it's not like a perfect sun, it's fine. But a radial stencil would work the best. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you can check the coloring of these images over in my live stream that is now posted on my channel, and I'll have more information on my blog, which is down in the description bar. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and tell me if you want more card videos in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!